Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Brawl Star character. This time it's gonna be the very cool looking Buzz the Dino Lifeguard. So here's my full pencil sketch sped up, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so here's my sketch, and let's draw this funny looking dino. So to begin, we're going to draw in the glasses first. So we're just going to draw one line across. Alright, and then from here, just kind of curve down. Just leave a lot of space right here first. So just kind of hook it in slightly. Come to the middle of this, just draw one circle on the bottom right here. So this will be a snout. I know this part's a little bit tricky. Alright, once you have this, we just curve it in. So we can close that off. And now we can finish up the glasses right here. So right in the center, just draw two curves like this. And then to connect the glasses right here, just gonna fill in this part, and there's gonna be one more. Okay, so this part's gonna be black, but I'll color it in later. Alright, so now we can finish up the snout right here. For the nostril, just two little lines like this at an angle. Just round out the bottom. Alright, and then for the mouth, just one line across, and then this one's gonna dip down. Okay, so let's finish up the top here. It's got those little horns. So right on top, just one line across, and then we'll just go up. From here, we'll come down to here. This will be the top of the head. So we just round this out right into the glasses. All right, so now that we have that, let's come down. We're gonna draw in the whistle first. Okay, so we're gonna come down right in the center right here. Just one little half circle, close it off, and then right underneath, just draw a big rectangle. And then now for the strap, we're just gonna go all the way up here. Okay, so just go right underneath the glasses. Just give it some thickness. Alright, so once we have the whistle right here, and we'll add in the details later, now we can finish up the body shape. So I'm going to start right here. Just come down right around here. And then we should come in, should be right into the whistle right here. Okay, so let's keep going down. For a short, straight down, we'll slant in, we'll go up, and then right here, just one smooth curve all the way around. Alright, and we can finish up the legs since they're really simple. We'll come down in the center. On this side right here, come down, stop a little bit early, give it a little bump, and then just close this off. So come down, one little bump. All right, and let's see, on this curve right here, just continue in. And for his toes right here, right in the center of this, I'm gonna add one line, and I'm gonna come over to this side, add another line. So right on the center, one line, and then one on this side. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw in his arm on this side, and then we'll draw in the little floater on the other side. All right, so I'm gonna start right up here. Curve down, so here's the wrist. So his hand's really thick, so it's gonna be right here. It's gonna be his thumb, just one little hook. And then now for the other fingers, just gonna curve down, come down here, just kind of round everything out. Just one little line to divide up the fingers. All right, so now for the other side here, it's got the little floater. So we're gonna draw in the floater first. So I'm gonna start right here. You can make one little point, come all the way down here. Here's the other point. So it's gonna be right behind here. So now I'm just gonna go. It's almost like a little almond shape on its side. Okay, and then now for the little strap right here. Right here, just draw one circle. All right, and then now we can draw in the arms. His arm's gonna be behind, so we won't be able to see the hand, but we can see the shoulder. I'm just gonna draw one little curve. All right, and then for the details for the little floater, I'm just gonna add 2 lines. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And now let's add in some little details right here to the whistle. One little rectangle and then one line on the bottom right here. And then on the body, it's got a little curve here. So it's just gonna go all the way around. So I'm just gonna start up here. Let's go all the way down here. And then same thing here. And lastly, one little detail right here. Just a little X right on the line. And that is it for this dino lifeguard. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.